I can learn. I can think. I can climb. I can play. I can cook.
I can drink.
I can listen. I can walk. I can talk. I can draw. I can dance. I can swim. I can sing. I can paint. I am thinking. I am teaching. I am picking flour. I am blowing. I am building. I am watering. I am wearing shoes.
I can hug.
I can shout.
I can whistle.
I can clap. I can follow. I can share. I can give. I can be kind. I can feed. I can ride. I can jump. I can say sorry. I can ride a scooty. I can draw a cat. I can jump a rope. I can play piano. I can brush my teeth. I can kick the ball. I can fold my shirt. I can catch the ball. I can use scissors. I can make funny face. I can smell.
I can wear my cap.
I can carry bag.